Ever find yourself in a bind because you've forgotten your wallet at home or lost your credit card when you needed it most? We've all been there, haven't we? Traditional payment methods, while familiar, often come with a host of headaches. Take cash, for instance. Carrying it around can be inconvenient and even unsafe. And then, there's the all-too-familiar panic when you can't find your credit card. Not to mention, bank transfers can feel like they take forever, especially when you're in a hurry. Beyond convenience, there's the issue of security. With the growing threat of cybercrime, it's increasingly risky to share your personal information each time you make a transaction. So, you might be wondering, is there a better way to manage your money? If you've ever faced any of these issues, you're not alone. But what if there was a solution that could make these problems a thing of the past? Welcome to the future of payments, the digital wallet. It's a virtual space where you stash your money, not unlike the leather wallet you carry around, only it's on your smartphone or computer. It's your money, just digitized. How does it work? It's as simple as downloading an app, linking it to your bank account or credit card, and voila! You're ready to make payments with a few taps on your screen. No need to fumble with change or swipe a card. You can buy your morning coffee, pay your bills, or even send money to friends, all without reaching for your physical wallet. But it's not just about convenience. Digital wallets offer enhanced security features. They protect your transactions with encryption, keeping your money safe from prying eyes. And the speed? It's instant. You can pay or get paid in the blink of an eye, anytime, anywhere. Imagine having a secure, fast, and convenient way to pay right at your fingertips. Now that you've heard about the advantages of a digital wallet, why not give it a shot? As we journey deeper into the digital age, it's becoming increasingly clear that the traditional modes of payment are quickly becoming a thing of the past. And no, it's not just tech enthusiasts who are making the switch. People from all walks of life are embracing this change, and for good reason. Downloading and setting up a digital wallet is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You simply download the app, follow the user-friendly instructions to set up your account, and within minutes, you're good to go. It's that simple. No need for lengthy paperwork or unnecessary delays, just a few taps on your screen and you're all set to make your first digital payment. But the convenience doesn't stop there. With the wide acceptance of digital wallets in various establishments, you can use it almost anywhere. Whether you're shopping online, grabbing a quick lunch at a fast food joint, or even paying for your parking, a digital wallet has got you covered. It's like having a bank right in your pocket. And it's not just about making payments. Digital wallets offer a plethora of additional features that make managing your finances a breeze. With an easy-to-understand transaction history at your fingertips, you can keep a close eye on your spending. Instant notifications ensure you're always in the know about where your money is going. Plus, the ability to link multiple bank accounts or cards means you have complete control over your funds, right from your mobile device. So, there's only one question left to ask. Are you ready to embrace the convenience of a digital wallet? Are you ready to bid adieu to the hassles of traditional payment methods and say hello to a simpler, more streamlined way of managing your money? So why wait? Join the digital revolution and simplify your payments today with our digital wallet.